So finally it happened. Something that I've been waiting for a couple of years. RC Astro finally works in Pixinsight. And not just that. RC Astro has released a standalone application for its plugins, and now first it was imported in Cyril and SETI Astro Suite Pro, and at the moment while I was creating a video to show comparisons that finally my AMD GPU is able to handle GPU acceleration within SETI Astro Suite Pro, I saw this video from Quiv, the lazy geek, and he just made it available for Pixinsight as well. So let's check the first example, which is the stock version of Noise Exterminator. I'm running it on 5 iterations with a denoise of 0.85, and I will run this example on my C20 image from the SQA55 scope. So let's check how long it will take, and we can see it took 17 minutes. So let's do the same, but now in SETI Astro Suite Pro. So here in SETI Astro Suite Pro, I'm using the same settings as I did in Pixinsight, meaning the 0.85 denoise and 5 iterations. And let's run it. And we can see an improvement. This is running GPU acceleration, which you can see also on my task manager, where I'm showing the GPU utilization. And we can see it's using the GPU. So it got completed much faster in just 4 minutes. And while I was amazed and I wanted to share these results from SETI Astro Suite Pro, I refreshed my YouTube feed and realized Quiv just recently released a video about how he imported the standalone RC Astro application within a script running from Pixinsight. So let's do just the same as we did with SETI Astro Suite Pro. And we can see 4 minutes, around 4 minutes as well. So finally we have GPU acceleration available on other GPUs than NVIDIA, running from Pixinsight with the help of a script. I'm pretty sure we will see this update as an official update coming soon, as Quiv also mentions in his video that his script might be in a few days obsolete, but I just wanted to show you that it finally works. And thank you all to making it happen. Frank from SETI Astro to make it available in SETI Astro Suite Pro, which is, by the way, free software that you can use. But of course the RC Astro plugins are paid plugins. And also thanks to Quiv, who just recently made this script available for Pixinsight that runs the standalone RC Astro tools and made it available. Thank you very much.